What is this? Hey, what's happening? Hello, friends. Hello, kid. Look here. Fun. Looks so fun. I will teach you. Let's go. Follow me. Yes. We're going to learn about birds. Wow. Yes. This is a crane. Let's go to the next one. This is a duck. Oh. Perfect. That's great. This is a pigeon. Well done. Looks great. This is a chicken. This is a pelican. A flamingo. See you next time with something new. Exciting. Hey, be careful. Look here. Whoa. Hello, friends. Look at the colors of these balls. What happened? We have a plan today. Let's go. Okay, let's do this. Wow. Yellow. Hey, you're next. Science. Oh. Red. Music. Purple. Oh. Orange. That's great. See you next time with something new and exciting. Hey, careful. Music. A is for apple tree. B is for barn. C is for cow. D is for dog. Music. F is for farmer. G is for four geese. H is for four eyes. J is for jam. K is for kitten. L or a ram. Then pour milk. Go in. For owl. P is for picking. Q is for quail. R is for rooster. S is for signature. T is for tractor. U are an umbrella. V is for veteran. W is for watermelon. X is for X-ray. Y is for yam. Z is for Xenia. Music. Hello, friends. Hey, be careful. What is this? The amazing look seems fun. Kids, look over here. Look who it is. This is for Osseous the dinosaur. Hey, let's open it and see. Okay. Wow. Awesome. Hey, come on. Let's go. Let's do this. Oh. Hey, over here. Oh. Wow. They will be very interesting. Let's go over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go like this. Who goes first? This place looks very interesting. Yes. Interesting. Now it's your turn. Wow, I love it. Let's look at these colors. Red, cyan, purple, sky blue, pink, blue, brown. Do you know what color this is? This is the color yellow. Wow. That's awesome. That's really great. Thank you. Goodbye. What are we doing next? There's a plan today. Sounds good to me. Let's play. Okay. Let's do this. Let's go over there. Look over here. Wow. Now, it's your turn. Hey, banana. How are you today? Perfect apple. Amazing, looks so fun. Orange banana. Watermelon. Papaya. Strawberry. Pineapple. Blueberry. Pomegranate. Wow. That looks so great. I am proud of you. Hey, let's go. Wow. Wow. Yes. That's awesome. Wow, 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 wow. See you next time with something new and exciting. Hey, be careful. Wow. Check out this eyeliner. Look here. Hello, friend. Hey, be careful. Hey. What happened? Look at this slider. Hey, let's go. Let's play together. Be careful. Woohoo! Red, yeah. Orange. Yellow, yeah. Green. Blue, yeah. Purple. Cyan, yeah. Pink. Wow. That's great. Hello, friends. Hey, be careful. Oh, wow. Let's play. Oh, wow. This is a killer whale. This is fun. This is a shark. Music. This is a dolphin. That's awesome. This is an octopus. This is fun. This is a sea turtle. Do you know what marine animal this is? This is a seal. Look here. This is a walrus. Be careful.